Selling on Etsy can be a lucrative side hustle or full-time business, and making $1,000 a week is achievable with the right strategy. To stand out, focus on a specific niche with high demand. Research trending categories like personalized gifts or handmade jewelry. The quality of your products can make or break your business. Invest in quality materials and ensure impeccable craftsmanship. Ensure your product listings are optimized with detailed, keyword-rich titles and high-resolution images. Price your products to balance profitability and competitiveness. Consider costs and ensure a sustainable profit margin. Etsy ads can boost your visibility. Start with a small budget to test which products perform well. Happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews. Ensure excellent customer service and timely shipping. Drive traffic to your Etsy shop by promoting it on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Track your shop's performance using Etsy's analytics tools and adapt your strategies to maximize sales. To make $1,000 a week, sell 20 items at $50 or 50 items at $20. Focus on scalable products like digital downloads. By implementing these strategies and staying committed, earning $1,000 per week on Etsy is possible and sustainable.